All right, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is James Laverack. I am the release lead for Kubernetes 124, and I shall be your host today. This meeting, as with all of our meetings, is covered by the Kubernetes Code of Conduct. If you are here with us, please place your name on the attendees list. Yeah, I guess we'll just jump straight into updates. Updates enhancements.
I'll take that one. So our overall status is green. We are looking at this one, enhancements 2593, whether this should be included into the release or not. There's an ongoing discussion thread I've linked for, it's going on in SIG release. For context, the enhancement issue was removed from the milestone after code freeze because there was no code merged by the time. But there was a PR that was merged after the code freeze, and that is introducing a new alpha API, but we do not have the docs available for that yet. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that update. Yeah, I've been following on that thread, so I guess we'll see what the outcome is, and we'll discuss that async, but yeah. Okay, all right. Any questions for enhancements? Nope, all right, thank you, Priyanka. CI signal, Leonard.
Hello, our status is still yellow. The new flaky issues that I mentioned yesterday that we investigated have been reported. They are all connect basically to the same source, and it looks like that this is already resolved. So this is quite good. All those basically jobs mentioned basically in the list, all those related to the same cause of issue, and they seem to be resolved, as I said. So this is looking good. Besides that, nothing much has changed. So still the same status. Everything is looking okay, I would say.
It's good to know. Was hoping things would stabilize a little bit, so it's good to see that they are. All right. Okay, any questions for CI signal? Nope. All right. Well, thank you very much for the update. Bug triage, Dipto.
Yeah, so our status is still the same. We are still in yellow. We still have that unreleased blocking issue and one important soon PR, which is the Jenkins Go debug PR. Other than that, we are all the same. So that is it.
All right. Well, hopefully that release blocker will be resolved today if Go 118.1 cuts. So we should be in a good state. Maybe.
Yeah.
One hopes, one dreams. All right. Okay. Thank you. Any questions for bug triage? No. All right. Thank you so much. Docs. I don't think there's anyone from Docs on the call, unless I'm mistaken. Nope. And I have no particular updates. I assume they're good as they were yesterday. I think I had a green before. Release notes, Pro.
Yeah, hello everyone. So our current status is green as opposed to yellow, which was yesterday. The alpha draft PR has been merged, and all the website PRs for the beta 0 have also been merged. That part, as mentioned, major themes discussion and known issues discussion is up on GitHub, and there are still some conversations going on over there. And that apart, there were some patch releases for former release cycles and different release phases from former release cycles that were also incorporated through PRs.
All right. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Does anyone have any questions for release notes? No, all right, good. I did see Chris just jumped on the call. Chris, did you have anything for us from Docs?
Yeah, can you give me 2 seconds to paste it in? Maybe can you come
Yeah,
back to me?
sure. I'll go back to you at the end.
Sorry,
Okay.
I'm late. Thanks.
No, it's all right.
Early here.
Yeah, it's all right. Comms, TV.
Hello. Hi. So I've marked our status as yellow because we're still waiting on status of major themes. The discussion is on, so I would appreciate if people can put on their reviews and comments there. The feature block PR is in WIP. Mickey opened up yesterday, I think, and it is up for review. I saw some of the reviews there, but more reviews are welcome. We will be reaching out to feature blog writers and the SigDogs blog channel to get a review on the feature blog. And I guess that is it. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Does anyone have any questions for comms?
Okay.
No. All right. Thank you so much. I don't have any particular update from release branch management, and Joseph isn't on this call. So I'll just do my bit, then we'll go back to docs. So there was a thread about misenhancement. This is what Priyanka mentioned earlier. So hopefully we'll get something about that. There's still a discussion going on about release delay. There is a release engineering meeting today, which I suspect is probably going to come up into. Failing that, we'll probably discuss it tomorrow. The current suggestion seems to be to delay by 2 weeks. Whether or not we'll actually do that is to be confirmed at this point. So it's not confirmed yet, but that's what we're looking at. And we're also discussing not doing these daily burn downs unless we absolutely need to. There is a discussion thread open, which can be summarized as we'll only do 1 or 2 of these a week, and then the rest we'll just do threads in Slack. My intent is to have make a decision on that in tomorrow's release team meeting, and then go from there. So if people have opinions, please add them to that thread. Anyone have any questions for me? No. All right. In which case, we will jump back to docs. Chris, how are we looking?
Yeah, thanks. We've made really good progress. I think we're green, though today is the deadline for having all docs ready. We are down to 4 that are ready for review and not yet completed. And then the Docker shim, which is its own story. And I'm trying to look and see what it was yesterday. So yeah, we managed to get seven merged yesterday and down to only 4 left for today. So pretty good shape with that. The Docker shim is kind of the issue. We are meeting in, let's see, 3 hours from now, where we're going to try to blitz through. We have a lot of stuff that's just sitting there in the state of, yeah, we have a PR. Why isn't this merged? So hopefully we can do a bunch of those today, and then really just focus on just getting the ones that really progress hasn't been made on. And there is still a handful of issues and PRs that are not yet done. But like most docs people, we're always happy to have the project slip. So if you slip a couple of weeks, that will just only help us get all that done.
You're welcome, I guess. All right, good.
Yeah, but
well,
that's about it. Any questions?
No particular questions for me. Anyone else have any questions? No. All right. Okay.
Thanks.
Well, that's everything, I think. So I'm going to end the recording unless there's any particular things to bring up in the recording. Nope. All right.